Built on experience since 1979, trusted by industries worldwide, our fully integrated facility brings all production processes under one roof, ensuring uninterrupted continuity. We offer a comprehensive product portfolio tailored to the demands of international industries. With lean production and advanced automation, we maintain high efficiency and consistent quality. Certified to ISO 9000. Within our 18,000 square meter closed facility, manufacturing processes are driven by advanced automation and cutting-edge technology. We meticulously monitor and test every stage of the process, from raw material to finished product. By securing our supply chain, we ensure consistent quality, rapid delivery and full traceability. Internationally certified and R&D powered, we help raise the bar for the entire industry. Committed to the environment, we manufacture with renewable energy and sustainable practices, whether it's pressure regulators, flashback arrestors, welding and cutting torches, central gas distribution systems, or propane equipment. Our extensive portfolio meets every demand. From small-scale applications to large-scale infrastructure projects, we serve customers across global markets with sustainable solutions, technical expertise, and a commitment to being a partner they can rely on. With our equipment trusted across the globe, we support every industry we work with, from design to delivery. Where strong infrastructure meets decades of experience, your reliable partner.